Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we'll be solving a puzzle. Now what are puzzles? If you check past 3-4 year CAT papers, you will see in the LRDI section that most of the sets, they were not based upon any particular concept, okay? A random situation was created and you had to crack the set. So you should solve such sets more often. You must have also seen that there used to be at most one set based upon Venn diagrams, at most one set based upon games and tournaments, some sets based upon DI, while the other sets they were completely new. A new set of conditions was given and you had to build a logic right there to crack the set. So this is one of those sets where we'll solve a puzzle. No concept is required to solve this puzzle. Again, pure logical reasoning is required. Okay. So the question is, there are 5 restaurants A, B, C, D, E. Each of these restaurants serve 3 different cuisines out of Japanese, Italian, Punjabi, continental and South Indian. Each of these restaurants has a different rating out of 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star and 5 star, not necessarily in the same order, and is located in a different city among Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Kanpur and Jaipur, not necessarily in the same order. No two restaurants offer the same set of 3 cuisines. There are exactly 3 cuisines out of the 5 that are served at exactly 3 restaurants each, and each cuisine is served at least 2 restaurants. E, which is neither 2 star nor 3 star restaurant, is located in Kolkata. Punjabi cuisine is not served at the restaurants that are in Jaipur and Kanpur. So basically these clues are telling us regarding the rating of each restaurant and the cuisines, okay, which are being served at these restaurants. If we look at the questions, the first question is the cuisine served at AR. So this we can only answer when we have all the restaurants, their ratings and the cuisine served at those. Then we can answer this question. Next one is the rating of A is. So we need to find out the ratings of all the restaurants. Next one is which of the following cuisines are not served at the restaurant that is in Kanpur. Again we need all the set of cuisines and ratings of all the restaurants to answer this. Last one is the restaurant in Jaipur is. So for this we need to find out the city in which all the restaurants are located. So basically the task here is to relate a restaurant, its rating, its city and the cuisine served at it, okay? So what will be the best way to represent the data? I said we have to relate a restaurant. So let me write down the name of restaurants over here. I have to relate its rating, okay? So let me write down the rating. I have to relate the city of a restaurant in which it is located, and at last the cuisine that is being served over there, okay? So a table seems to be the best way. I'll write down the names of all the restaurants over here: A, B, C, D, E, and parallel to that I'll keep writing down their rating, city and cuisines, okay? So this is my table. Now whenever you have a question where you have to fill a table, okay, in that question you will always proceed with the direct clues like in arrangements. So direct clues is something that can directly be put into the arrangement into our table. So let us again scan this paragraph given to us. So we were given 5 restaurants A, B, C, D, E. They were serving 3 different cuisines, okay? So every restaurant will serve 3 different cuisines. They have to be selected out of these: Japanese, Italian, Punjabi, continental and South Indian. Each of these restaurants has a different rating out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Not necessarily in the same order, and is located in a different city out of Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Kanpur and Jaipur. Not necessarily in the same order. No two restaurants offer the same set of 3 cuisines. So set of cuisines that every restaurant is serving, it will be different for all, okay? There are exactly 3 cuisines out of the 5 that are served at exactly 3 restaurants each, and each cuisine is served at least 2 restaurants. So we have to make sure that every cuisine must be served at least 2 restaurants. After that, E, which is neither 2 star nor 3 star restaurant. So E is neither 2 star nor 3 star, is located in Kolkata. This is a direct clue. So E is located in Kolkata, okay? Punjabi cuisine is not served at the restaurants that are in Jaipur and Kanpur. So Jaipur and Kanpur, we do not know which restaurants are in Jaipur and Kanpur. We'll leave this. Japanese cuisine is served at minimum number of restaurants. So we were given that a cuisine has to be served at least 2 restaurants. We were given over here a cuisine have to be served at least 2 restaurants. So Japanese cuisine is being served at minimum number of restaurants. That means Japanese will be served at 2 restaurants only, okay? We know it from this clue. After that, 2 of the 3 cuisines served by B, which is 5-star restaurant located in Mumbai, are Italian and continental. So this is a direct clue. B is serving three cuisines. Out of those three, two have been given as Italian and continental. So in B we are serving Italian and continental, and B, which is a 5-star restaurant, so rating is 5 and is located in Mumbai, so I will write Mumbai over here. The number of restaurants at which South Indian cuisine is served is not 3. So we'll make sure that number of restaurants at which South Indian is served, it is not 3. Okay. After that, D, which is located in Delhi, is 1-star restaurant. So D is 1-star, located in Delhi. After, one of the cuisines served at 4-star restaurant is Italian. Now if you look at E, it is not a 2-star restaurant, it is not a 3-star restaurant, it cannot be a 1-star restaurant, it cannot be a 5-star restaurant because 1-5 rating have already been assigned. So E can only be a 4-star restaurant. Okay, so this will be a 4-star restaurant, and we have been given that one of the cuisines served at 4-star restaurant is Italian. So I will write down Italian over here. Okay. Then we have been given A, which is not in Jaipur. So A is not in Jaipur. A cannot be in Jaipur, A cannot be in Mumbai because B is in Mumbai. A cannot be in Delhi because D is in Delhi. A cannot be in Kolkata because E is in Kolkata. So only one city remains, which is Kanpur. So A will be in Kanpur, and only one city remains for restaurant C over here. It will be assigned Jaipur. Okay, so now we know the cities of these restaurants. So A, which is not in Jaipur, does not serve continental cuisine. So A is not serving continental. Okay. We were also given one clue related to restaurants in Jaipur and Kanpur over here. Punjabi cuisine is not served at the restaurants that are in Jaipur and Kanpur. So Jaipur, Kanpur, we will not serve Punjabi. Okay, not Punjabi. We were given that every restaurant has to serve at least 3 cuisines, right? Now in the very first line we were given that each of these restaurants serves 3 different cuisines. So for restaurant A, 2 cuisines are not possible, continental and Punjabi. That means the other 3 which are remaining, they are Italian, then we have South Indian, and what do we have? We have Japanese. Okay, so these will be served at restaurant A. I will remove these. Okay. As soon as we do this, we were given that here in this clue that there are exactly 3 cuisines out of the 5 that are served at exactly 3 restaurants each. So Japanese cuisine cannot be that which can be served at exactly 3 restaurants. We cannot serve South Indian at 3 restaurants. So 3 remaining cuisines are continental, Punjabi and Italian. These will be served at 3 restaurants each. Okay. So if I look into Italian, we already have assigned Italian to 3 restaurants, restaurants A, B and E. That means Italian cannot be assigned to any more restaurant. That means we will write not Italian in every restaurant. Okay, where we have not assigned Italian. So here we cannot assign Italian now. Even here we cannot assign Italian. Okay. As soon as I do this, in restaurant C, 2 cuisines have been excluded, Punjabi and Italian. So remaining 3 will be served over here. Remaining 3 are South Indian, Continental and Japanese. So let me write South Indian, Continental and Japanese over here. Okay. We were given that Japanese can be served at exactly 2 restaurants. So Japanese has been served at A and B. It cannot be served anywhere else. So I will write not Japanese and not Japanese everywhere. Okay. Now if I do this at restaurant D, I can see that 2 have been excluded, Italian and Japanese. That means other 3 will be included, South Indian, Continental and Punjabi. So I will write South Indian, Continental and Punjabi over here. Okay. Now we are done with everything for restaurant A. Okay. Now there are 2 restaurants A and C whose rating is not known, and the only ratings remaining are 2 and 3. So A could be a 2 or 3 star restaurant, C could be a 3 or 2 star restaurant. Okay. Now when we reach here, we know that Italian can only be assigned to 3 restaurants. So Italian has been assigned to A, B and E. So we are done with Italian. Okay. If we look at Japanese, Japanese could be assigned to only 2 restaurants. So we are done with Japanese. It has been assigned to A and C. So we are done with Japanese. If we look at Continental, we are done with Continental. It has been assigned to restaurants B, C, D. So we are done with Continental as well. Okay. So now if I come to restaurant E, we cannot assign Japanese to it. We cannot assign Continental to it. So 2 cuisines have been excluded from E. That means other remaining will be included. So Italian has been included. We will have to include Punjabi and we will have to include South Indian over here. Okay. Then if we look at Punjabi, it has to be served at 3 restaurants, so only space remaining is in restaurant B. We will have to put Punjabi over here. Okay, so all the restaurants have been given their three cuisines. Okay, and we have also satisfied this condition that South Indian should not be served at 3 restaurants. So South Indian has been served at restaurant A, C, D and E. Okay, so we have satisfied all the conditions. We can start answering the questions now. First one is the cuisine served at AR. So they are Italian, South Indian, Japanese. Italian, South Indian, Japanese. Option A will be the correct answer. Second one is the rating of A is, so it could be either 2 or 3. We cannot determine it. Option D will be the correct answer. Next one is, which of the following cuisines are not served at the restaurant that is in Kanpur? In Kanpur, restaurant A, we serve Italian, South Indian, Japanese. We cannot serve continental and Punjabi. So option B will be the correct answer. Last is the restaurant in Jaipur is, so it is restaurant C. Option C will be the correct answer. So that is how you have to solve puzzles. You have to think what could be the best way to represent the data, and when you do that, keep filling the arrangement or table whatever you have drawn with the direct clues, and related to those direct clues, keep checking the conditions and see what could be excluded, what could be included, and you will easily solve such puzzles. Okay, so this was a very basic puzzle. We will do some advanced ones in our classes. That's it. If you still have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.